Hello friends, welcome back. This is Jayalakshmi of EC department. We have already discussed about that fourth unit. Next we are going to discuss about step, impulse and exponential response of RL circuit. We have already discussed about that transient response of RL circuit, RC circuit. Now we are going to discuss about step and impulse and exponential response of RL circuit. Okay, let me start with that one. This is the RL circuit we have, and in this circuit we are having a resistor in series with inductor. Here we are going to apply a step input for this RL series circuit. When you are applying the step input for this circuit, we are having the KVL equation for this circuit as L into di by dt plus R into I of t, which is equal to V naught plus U of t. Okay, so sorry, V naught V naught into U of t. That is, you are giving the input as U of t. U of t will be taken as 1. Okay. So we are taking that as V naught as V naught only. Okay. So taking Laplace transform for this above equation, we are having L into S into I of S minus I of 0 plus R into I of S. I of t can be written as I of S, and your I by dt Laplace transform for that can be written as S into I of S minus I of 0. Okay, here I of 0 is 0, so you can omit it, and we are having U naught Ui will be equal to 1, so we are getting that V naught. This V naught can be written as V naught by S in Laplace transformation. Okay, so for this one we are getting that equation. We are taking that arranging this equation by taking I of S on one side, others on the other side. We are having this equation as I of S equal to V naught by L into 1 by S into S plus R by L. I am rearranging this equation so that I can get that inverse Laplace transformation easily. Okay, so your I of S will be equal to V naught by L into 1 by S into S plus R by L. So when we are rearranging this equation, we are getting like this one. Okay, V naught by L into L by R. I am taking that L by R on the outside, so I am getting the equation as 1 by S minus 1 by S plus R by L. So that can be written as V naught by R into 1 by S minus 1 by S plus R by L. So this equation we can take that inverse Laplace transformation. When you are taking inverse Laplace transformation for this one, we are getting I of t equal to V naught by R V naught by R into 1 minus e power r by L into t. Okay, so S plus R by L can be written as e power r by L. 1 by S can be written as 1. Okay, when you are taking Laplace inverse transformation. So the current equation for the step input output will be I of t equal to V naught by R into 1 minus e power minus r by L into t. When you are taking the impulse response, instead of U of t, you have to apply that delta of t. Okay, the impulse response, when you are taking Laplace transform for this equation, the impulse function can be written as 1. Okay, so you have to write the Laplace transformation for this equation. L into di by dt plus Ri of t equal to delta t. When I am taking Laplace transformation for this one, L into S into I of S minus I of 0 plus R into I of S will be equal to 1. So I am rearranging this equation so that I am getting I of S equal to 1 by R plus S into L minus 1 by L. Okay, so I have to rewrite this equation so that I can take the inverse Laplace transformation. So when I am taking the inverse Laplace transformation for this equation, can you see this one? I rearrange this equation as 1 by L minus 1 by S plus R by L. Okay, so when I am rearranging this equation, 1 by L into 1 by S plus R by L, when I am rearranging this equation, I am getting I of t as 1 by L into e power minus R by L into t into U of t. U of t is nothing but 1. Okay, so you can write that as impulse function as inverse transformation as 1 by L into e power minus R by L into t into u of t. Okay, t into r by l. Okay, r by l into t into u of t. Okay, so we can obtain this equation as the impulse response for this RL series circuit. Next we have to go for the exponential response of this RL circuit. So we are applying that exponential input a into e power at for this circuit. So when I am writing that KVL for this equation, it can be written as r into I of t plus l into di by dt equal to a into e power at. So when I am applying this one, we are getting this equation in the form of d by dt of I of t plus r by l into I of t equal to a by l into e power at. Just I am rearranging this equation so that to take the Laplace transformation easily. Okay, so when you are taking Laplace transformation on both sides, we are getting this s into I of s. d by dt of I of t can be written as s into I of s minus I of 0. So same thing is written here, plus r by l into I of t. Instead of I of t, I can get that I of s, and then a by l into e power at can be written as 1 by s minus a. So I have obtained this equation as s into I of s minus I of 0 plus r by l into I of s equal to a by l into 1 by s minus a. Okay, so this is my Laplace transformed equation. From this equation I have to obtain the I of s. So I have to arrange the I of s on the one side and the other things on the other side. When I am rearranging this one, I am getting this equation I of s as a by l into 1 by s minus alpha into 1 by s plus r by l. Okay, so this I of s, you rearrange this s 1 by s minus alpha into 1 by s plus r by l so that I can take that inverse Laplace transformation easily. I am rearrange that as a by l into 1 by r by l plus alpha into 1 by s minus alpha minus 1 by s plus r by l. Okay, so I am rearranging that one. Then I am taking inverse Laplace transformation. I am getting that I of t can be written as a by l into r by l plus alpha. Na? So I am multiplying that inside. So I am getting a by alpha l plus r, that into 1 by s minus alpha can be taken as inverse Laplace transform as e power alpha t minus this 1 by s plus r by l can be written as e power minus r by l into t. Okay, so this is our Laplace inverse transformation for the I of s. So for the impulse response, I am getting the current equation as a by alpha l plus r into e power alpha t minus e power minus r by l into t. Okay, this is the step impulse and exponential response of your RL series circuit. Okay, you go through that one. If there any doubt, you just clarify with me. Okay.